Woodpecker's new MT doweling jig is fast and easy to use and gives you pinpoint drilling accuracy. Requested by our customers, the doweling center bar has precision location notches, an inch and metric scale with an adjustable end stop, and stainless steel guide bushings that allows you to drill perfectly spaced and centered end grain holes every time. So just align, squeeze, and drill to make perfect dowels without needing to clamp our jig or tighten knobs or handles. With the MT doweling jig, you can align the precision machine notches on the jig center bar with dowel location marks anywhere along your board edge. Or use the adjustable center bar end stop for drilling 2 or 3 precisely spaced end grain holes. This feature allows perfect alignment of face frame stiles and top and bottom rails. The handy inch-millimeter scale lets you accurately set the stop. What could be easier? The MT doweling jig comes with 3 stainless steel drill guide bushings in both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drill sizes. And just like our center gauge, the new doweling jig easily and accurately finds the dead center of your board every time. No tedious trial and error adjustments required. The MT doweling jig lets you drill a series of equally spaced holes along the edge of a board. After drilling your first 3 dowel holes, slide the dowel jig along the board till the first drill guide bushing aligns with the last drilled hole, and then insert the index pin and continue drilling to make more dowel holes. It's that easy. Woodpecker's MT doweling jig comes in its own fitted foam-lined case for safe storage and convenience. If you already have our MT center gauge, simply order the doweling center bar as an accessory and a new fitted foam insert to expand your current MT center gauge. So, consider Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the MT doweling jig, if you're looking for a fast and easy way to drill precisely aligned and centered dowel holes to create super strong dowel joints. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools, Woodpecker's new MT doweling jig is machined in our new shop just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, and made in the USA.